Foundation repair and waterproofing scams are way more common than you think, especially if you're a first-time homeowner dealing with basement cracks and water issues. So here's the deal. When you spot cracks or dampness in your basement walls, don't just jump on the first company offering a quick fix. Start by getting multiple quotes from local foundation repair companies, like at least 2 or 3. Make sure they actually inspect the problem in person and explain what's going on without pressuring you to sign on the spot. Ask about their experience with homes built in your area and whether they provide written estimates breaking down the work. Also, check online reviews, but take them with a grain of salt. Some might be fake or exaggerated. If they mention mold or water damage, ask for lab reports or proof before you believe it. Don't forget to consider getting a structural engineer's opinion if things sound complicated or expensive. Finally, if you're confident and handy like me, sometimes you can save a ton by sourcing materials yourself and following expert advice to do some of the work on your own. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair waterproofing is trusting one company without comparing others. They might end up paying way too much or getting unnecessary work done. A fix for this is always getting multiple quotes and second opinions. Another common issue is falling for scare tactics about mold or water damage that isn't really there. Companies sometimes exaggerate to push sales. To avoid this, ask for clear documentation like mold test results, and don't let anyone rush you into signing contracts. Lastly, ignoring the problem because it doesn't seem urgent can lead to bigger damage later on. The best move here is to monitor cracks regularly and act early before things get worse. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you're not stuck guessing who to call. Plus, it helps contractors find good leads from people looking for reliable work, making the whole home repair process way smoother for everyone involved.